Good evening and welcome to the Night Vision Show. So I'm out tonight for a fox that's shown next to a pheasant pen on the trail cam. No chicken nuggets tonight, just the bare essentials. Got my collar, I've got the Infiray TL35 tube, and of course my very worthy GH35 HikMicro Gryphon, which has been producing brilliant results for me. So wish me luck and I'll catch up with you later. Thank you. So this is the trail cam I've got set up, and the fox is right next to the pen, as you can see. So picked this up on the TL35 and I wasn't confident even taking a shot there. The fox was moving and there's livestock in the background, sheep in the background, so I just let it go there and frantically scanned up and down with the Gryphon. As you can see, a fantastic picture quality there with the Gryphon. The fox actually came round from behind me, and I didn't get a chance to record it in the Gryphon. However, here's the shot with the Infiray TL35, solid headshot taken off the sticks. And went and found this vixen with a Gryphon. So that was good news. So good morning, it's the morning after the night before. Delighted to get that fox from near the pen. As you can see, the fox come down behind me, so I had to take it from quite close proximity, but delighted to dispatch it with a headshot. Quite excited because I'm out again next week with a HikMicro Gryphon GH35, and I'll be pairing that up with the Panther, the HikMicro Panther from Scott Country. And I'm excited again because I'm picking up a new permission, so off the back of this farm, and been really successful with the Gryphon and the TL35. I've picked up another farm, another sheep farm, larger acreage, and I don't believe it's been shot in a while, so the Panther should be put to good use there. Anyway, something I haven't mentioned is the after sales and service from Scott Country, which is, to be honest, really phenomenal. They've sorted me out a couple of times, and Paul Stewart there in particular has just been absolutely fantastic with advice and guidance, and he puts it all in layman's terms, which is what I need, because I'm relatively new to foxing, especially with thermal, but I'm just loving it and having great results. The Gryphon GH35, can't recommend this enough, and I look forward to trying out the Panther from HikMicro next week. Thanks a lot. Bye.